Having trouble seeing your AirPods Pro 3 case battery level in the iOS, iPadOS battery widget? You're not alone. This is a common software glitch, not a hardware defect, especially on iOS 18.1 or earlier. The problem stems from Bluetooth connectivity or synchronization errors between your AirPods firmware and your iPhone iPad. Here's how to get it working again. First, make sure your AirPods are connected in Bluetooth settings. Then, try restarting both your iPhone, iPad, and the AirPods case. Next, check for software updates for both iOS, iPadOS, and your AirPods. Settings, General, Software Update. If that doesn't work, forget the AirPods in your Bluetooth settings and repair them. As a last resort, remove and re-add the battery widget in the Today view. These steps should solve the issue in most cases. If basic fixes haven't worked, try these advanced troubleshooting steps. First, reset your network settings on your iPhone or iPad. This can resolve persistent synchronization problems by clearing Bluetooth configurations. Next, perform a factory reset on your AirPods. Hold the setup button on the case for 15 seconds until the light flashes. This is a drastic measure but can fix deep synchronization issues. Be aware that pairing your AirPods across multiple devices like iPhones, iPads, and Macs can cause conflicts. This may lead to battery widget issues. Apple is aware of this issue and actively working on fixes through iOS updates. Expect future improvements in Bluetooth reliability and battery synchronization, potentially using AI-driven diagnostics to reduce manual troubleshooting. While a perfect solution isn't guaranteed yet, these advanced troubleshooting steps, combined with Apple's ongoing software improvements, should help maintain smooth battery widget functionality.